Eye contact when you're public speaking, or speaking, let's just call it that, is really, really important. And the reason I love eye contact as a speaker coach is that when people make real eye contact with a human in their audience, you know what happens? They slow down. It becomes conversational. So what I want you to start to do is break up your audience into quadrants and give a human in one quadrant of your audience about 3 seconds of real, genuine eye contact, like we're talking to them one-to-one, and then move to another quadrant. It's called the bumblebee technique. It really, really works. If you want more tips like this, my new course, Master Your Meetings, has a 4-step system designed to help you with this kind of stuff. You can find link in bio or click below. I'll see you there.